For the most part, roadside assistance is going to help with whatever you need to get you back on the road. Their call centers are open 365 days a year, 24 hours a day, so that whenever you need assistance, no matter what time or day of the year it is, they're available to you. Most roadside programs include changing flats, jumping dead batteries, towing, fuel delivery, and locksmith service. The roadside assistance number is intended to be available to you at any time of day, any day of the year. You'll be put in contact with an operator who will ask you where you're located and what the problem is. From there, they'll go through a pre-authorized list of retailers to pick the best person for the job that you're currently in need of. That person will be dispatched to you, and as soon as possible, you'll be back on the road and headed wherever it is you needed to go. Most manufacturers actually provide roadside assistance in their warranty program. And one of the cool things about theirs is it's often based on years or months and not kilometers driven. You can find those details on the manufacturer's website or in your owner's manual. If your vehicle is past the manufacturer's warranty, there are still a couple of ways that you can have access to roadside assistance. You can purchase an extended warranty. They'll usually include that roadside assistance in them, or you can go to a third-party provider that does roadside assistance specifically, or you can purchase it directly through your insurance company. Usually costs around $60 to $80 a month, depending on how comprehensive it is. All Drive Autogroup dealers offer a roadside assistance program within the extended warranty or for purchase separately from any dealership in store. Ours includes things like minor mechanical first aid, tire service, delivery service, battery service, and locksmithing service. Another really cool thing about this is in the event that you actually arrange for your own assistance and that thing is covered under the roadside assistance program, we will reimburse you for those charges. To sum it up, roadside assistance programs are convenient, affordable, and give you great peace of mind. You'll be connected to a person who can help solve whatever problem it is you're having and get you back on the road quickly.